Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another crypto tutorial. Today we're on the Coinbase app and I'm going to show you how to stake your Tezos. Okay, so we're in the Coinbase app, currently on the home screen. I have a previous video on how to buy, sell, and swap your tokens within the Coinbase app, so you can check that out if you want. Basically, you can do that using this big blue button in the bottom center. But what we want to do is go to our portfolio, and then we want to go to Tezos. So you can see I have about 10 Tezos, aka XTZ, in my wallet, and I'm earning staking rewards from this. Now I think I'm only earning rewards on our previous amount that I had, which was about like 1 Tezos, because I recently bought more. But we can scroll down on here and get more information on Tezos. But you can see estimated rewards is 4.9%, which is pretty good, a lot better than a bank or anything like that. And it'll show your lifetime rewards, which is going up in real time, so that's pretty dope. But what you want to do in order to activate staking is go to your settings, then you want to scroll down to account, and you want to tap on financial services. And here there's going to be 2 toggles. You can turn on rewards for holding USD token, and you can toggle on staking for Tezos. So you want to make sure that this toggle is on, and then you should be good to go. And they will start giving you staking rewards. And you can see that these are coming in every few days that they're sending me this reward. Sometimes it's daily even. Another thing to note, I think you have to keep your Tezos in this wallet for like 30 days before you can start earning the rewards. And that's just to incentivize people to hold their tokens, not keep moving them in and out of the wallet, buying and selling as they feel. So pretty much just turn on the toggle, hold your tokens in the Tezos wallet on Coinbase, and you should be good to go to start earning staking rewards. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out some of the other tutorials on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on